Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C++ tutorial guys. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you guys about the data types in C++ programming language. So let's start this tutorial. Data types. The operating system allocates memory and selects what will be stored in the reserved memory based on the variable's data type. The data type defines the proper use of an identifier, what kind of data can be stored and which type of operation can be performed. There are various different kind of data types which are present in C++ language. If you remember, we used four kind of data types in C programming language. Those were integer, float, char, character, and the fourth was double. Now, here in C++, there are more two data types which we will use here. Let me tell you about the integer. Integer type holds non-fractional numbers which can be positive or negative. Now, it comes on float and double. But let me tell you, you can also use there are two keywords present, you can say modifiers, which make a integer signed and unsigned. That means a signed, when you add signed integer, a signed integer can hold both negative and positive numbers. An unsigned integer can hold only positive values. There are more two keywords which are used to define size of a integer. If you add short before integer, it will make the size default size to the half. If you add long, then it will make the size twice to the default size. Now comes on float. A floating type variable can hold a real number such as 42.3, 3.43, minus 0.053. The words floating point refer to the fact that a varying number of digits can appear before and after the decimal point. You could say that the decimal has the ability to float. A double is also a similar kind of floating point number. After that comes on string, which is new in C++ because this data type is not present in C programming language. A string is an ordered sequence of character. That means now using this string data type, you can store a string in a particular variable. For example, you can store your any string, but in a character, in a char data type, you can only store a single character value. Char b equals to, you can only store a single character value, g for example. But always remember, when you are using string data type, you need to add a another uh, header file which is string header file. Now you can use this string data type. Now it comes on Boolean variables can only have two possible values, which first is true, second is false. True is represented by 1, false is represented by 0. To declare a Boolean value, you just need to write here bool, uh, uh, for example, a variable equals to whether true or false, which you want to assign a bool value, you can. If a Boolean value is assigned to an integer, true becomes 1 and false becomes 0. If an integer value is assigned to a Boolean, 0 becomes false and any value that has non-zero value becomes true. That's how these data type works. That's how. So there are total 6 data types which are present in C++ language. So always remember about these data types. Well, I hope you guys understood about these data types in C++ programming language. If you have any question or query regarding to this, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red button for getting updates and don't forget to hit that bell icon for getting notified on my every upload to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.